1. So we will get 1. So this is the work done. So total work done for path AB plus BC is how much? 0 plus 1 joule. So 1 joule. Okay. So this is the work done through this path AB and BC. Now we will find directly A to C. So work done for AC path. So AC is what? AC is going along this line. So in this one we can write F ds, and here F is given and ds will be dx I cap dy j cap. We can write, and F will be like this. F is y I cap plus x j cap, and this is dx I cap and dy j cap. Okay, in this way we can write. But here one thing you can notice, that on this line, if you see, this line equation is what? What is the line equation? Is it y equal to x? The line equation is what? Y equal to x. So on this line, at every point, y equal to x. So we can replace all the x with all the y with x. Okay. And we can also write dy equal to dx. So what we are left with, this is applicable only for this line, along line AC, not on AB or BC. It is not applicable on AB or BC. This is on line AC only. Okay. So because we are integrating for AC, we are integrating for this line, we can write y equal to x I cap and x j cap from here, and dx I cap and dx j cap. So all the things are now in terms of x only. So just put the values. So if you take the dot product, x dx and x dx twice, so 2x dx, if you integrate it, we are going to get x square. Okay, and 0 to 1. So we are getting 1 only. Okay, we are getting 1. So we are getting what? Same. We are getting same thing. So in this way we have to calculate. But if you are getting same, it does not mean that it is conservative. You have to check some other path also. So if you get non-equal work even for one path, it means the force is non-conservative. So for these two paths we got equal work. For these two paths we got equal work. Okay. So but it does not mean that this is conservative. Means it is a even if for one path, suppose we take like a path from here to here, means like this and going a very long path, suppose we take. So in that case also we have to calculate. So if in that case we get some different work done, the force will become non-conservative. Okay, so let us check. So are you getting what I'm trying to say? If the work done for two different paths is same, that does not guarantee that work done will be positive. The force will be conservative. But if you get the work done from two paths is different, that is guaranteed that then it gives the guarantee that the force is non-conservative. So I am writing it. I'm writing the statement. Suppose the work done from A B C is equal to work done from AC. It is not a guarantee that these forces are conservative. Not a guarantee. Force is conservative, because we have to check some other path also. You may have some other path for which the work can be different. So you can have infinite number of paths. Second, we can take, if ABC is non-equal to AC, then it is guaranteed that F is non-conservative. Okay, so we can take some other path to check it, but it is non-conservative. Okay, I know this force is non-conservative. Actually, if suppose instead of this, if we would have taken here 2x, Suppose we would have taken 2x here, then the work done calculation would have been different. Okay. So we can take one more path. So what path we should take? We can take a, so if you go to upper point and then we return, then that is also going to give the same result. If you go like A to D, this point, and then you go to D to C, again that will give the same result. That will also give the 1 joule. Consider one more path. Consider one more path along y equal to x square. What is this path? Y equal to x square. So y equal to x square is what? A parabola like this. So along this path, particle is moving like this, along y equal to x square. So work is along this path. Work along y equal to x square. Okay. So if we calculate work done for this, so what we have to do is y I cap plus x j cap dot dx I cap plus dy j cap. Okay. So if you take the dot product, it will be y dx plus x dy. Okay. Now put the value of y. So y is how much? This is x square. So y is x square dx, and how much will be dy? So dy you can find by differentiating. So dy by dx is, if you differentiate it, it will be how much? 2x. So how much is dy? Is it 2x dx? So x and dy is 2x dx. Okay, so if you solve it, it will be x cube by 3, and it will be x cube by 2 by 3. So how much we are getting? X cube by 3 and x 2 by 3. Okay, so finally we are having x cube 0 to 1. Okay, so we are getting again 1. Okay. So again we are getting 1. देखिए मैं बोला था ना कि तीसरा पाथ भी हो सकता है, तो इसमें भी देखिए हमने कोई 2 पॉइंट लिया है. आप ये पॉइंट भी तो आगे ले सकते थे. अगर ये पॉइंट मान लीजिए हम लोग 0 से 2 ले लेते, सपोज 0 से 2 ले लेते ना, तो ये चेंज कर जाता, ये क्यूबिक में चला आता, 8 हो जाता. सपोज इफ यू टेक x cube equal to 0 to 2, then it will become what? 8 joule. But if you take 0 to 2 in this path, means if you take 0 to 2 for this calculation, means AB to BC, so how much you will get? You will get 0 to 2, so 2 joule, and then the answer will be how much? Answer will be 2 joule in this case, but here you are getting 8 joule. देखिए हमने जो पाथ लिया ना, हमने इतना सिंपल पाथ ले लिया कि हर में सेम आ जा रहा है, लेकिन सेम हमेशा नहीं आता है. आप मान लीजिए सपोज यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0 0 टू 2,2. सपोज यू गो लाइक दिस. So if you go like this, the work done will be 8 joule. Okay, because you have to take from 0 to 2. And similarly, the work done which we calculated for first part, the WAB and WBC. So here again you have to take 0 to 2. If you take 0 to 2, this result is going to become what? 2 joule. Okay, and first part will be 0. So these two are different. Now you can see for these points, the WAB plus WAC and WA along parabola,